Hi guys, so today I'll be doing a minifigure packet Thursday. This might not go on for long, it might just stop today, it might be my first ever one. So I know what's in here but you don't, so I'm going to let you see. 1 second guys. Sorry about that, I just had to open my blinds, so today I will be showing you. So this is a collector's list, and I told my mum that this is a certain character and she didn't believe me, so I'll be showing you. It's the Joker. I'll show you. It's the Joker. Wait. There. The Joker. Right, let's build this. And he's number 13. So, let me just turn that over. So you put the stick on like that. Put that on there. Get the character, put his legs on. Put that head. I told my mum that this was a Joker. She kept saying it wasn't, but I knew it was. Look at that piece though. That is so sick. I like it. This might only be the only time that I'm doing Minifig Thursday, Thursday. And there's a new piece there. Just wanted to show you that new piece. And he looks like that, like he's hovering. Well, this is my other minifigure that I got for my Christmas. So guys, you know on Friday the 13th in 2 weeks, it's my birthday, so I won't be doing a video. I might be doing after school, but yeah. That's the packet. And yeah, there's nothing else to be shown. So, that's the checklist. Get all them characters. And I've got the Joker right there. So that's all for today. I'm Jelly Mean Kid.